Welcome guys, today I am with the Motorola Escape 500 ANC and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Windows laptop. So at first we have to focus on this power button. We have to click and hold it until this indicator right here starts blinking on the blue. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it and take a look on the indicator. Right now we can release and smoothly move to the Bluetooth settings on your laptop. Open the settings, go for the Bluetooth and devices, click to add device and select Bluetooth. Right now from the list you have to select your Motorola Escape. It's right here, so click once. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.